identify geometrical shapes. How are you, little friends? Today we'll learn what is the geometrical shape in this chapter. Do you know that you can draw this geometrical shape with the help of things you have? So let's learn how to draw the geometrical shapes. Rectangle. Take a matchbox, as we say, and put it on paper. See the shape. When we rotate the pencil around the edges of matchbox, this geometric figure is called a rectangle. The two sides of the rectangle are long and another two sides are short. The lengths of sides of rectangles in front of each other are same. A rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. Circle. Take a bangle. Put it on the paper. Rotate the pencil inside or outside the bangle. The shape we get is called a circle. The circle has only one curve. The circle has no straight sides or corners. Triangle. Take the hanger that hangs the clothes in your cupboard. Keep the hanger on paper hug the pencil edge along the inside of the hanger. The shape that has come, that shape called triangle. The triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Square. Take a block from snake and ladder scheme. Keep it on paper. Trace a pencil around the block edges. See the size of the shape. These sizes are called corners. The sizes we are learned today are called geometric shapes. Rectangle, circle, triangle, square. Are you enjoying learn geometric shapes?